Imagine this. Someone takes a doll that looks like you, whispers your name and sticks a needle in its arm. You laugh. It's just a doll, right? But suddenly you feel a strange sting. Impossible. Or maybe not, because science has found that your belief alone can create real pain, a phenomenon called the voodoo doll effect. The idea of voodoo dolls comes from ancient spiritual traditions, especially in parts of Africa. People believe that by using a doll to represent someone, they could influence that person, bring love, luck, or suffering. For centuries, this was dismissed as superstition. But modern neuroscience discovered something shocking. The mind, under the right conditions, can make belief feel physically real. In a psychology lab, researchers tested this strange connection. They told volunteers, "This doll represents you." Then the scientists pretended to harm the doll, burning or punishing it lightly. Most participants felt nothing, but others, those who believe in the possibility, reported actual sensations: heat, tingling, pressure, sometimes even pain. Nothing touched their bodies. Their belief alone activated the body's pain response. When you believe something is happening to you, your brain doesn't just imagine it, it simulates it. The same areas that process real pain, the somatosensory cortex, anterior cingulate cortex, and insula, light up when you only think about pain. In other words, to your brain, imagination can be just as real as reality. That's why even seeing someone get hurt can make you flinch. Your mirror neurons, the cells that copy what others feel, make your body react as if it were happening to you. You have experienced this before, when you feel phantom vibrations from your phone, or when you watch a horror movie and your heart races. Your brain isn't lying to you, it's trying to predict danger. It mixes memories, imagination, and emotion, and sometimes that mix becomes so strong that it's turned into real physical sensation. This is the same reason the placebo effect works, when patients feel better after taking a fake pill, just because they believe it's real medicine. Belief triggers chemical changes. The brain releases endorphins and dopamine, the body's natural painkillers. The opposite is also true. Negative belief can create illness, something called the nocebo effect. If you think something will harm you, your body may actually start to react as if it did. Your brain, in a way, becomes its own witch doctor. So, was the voodoo doll ever truly magical? Maybe not, but the human brain, that's real magic. Because when you realize how powerful belief can be, you understand that your mind doesn't just observe reality, it helps create it.